In Asgard's height, stag grazes free, living on the leaves, setting the spirit free. Together in harmony, creatures dwell, chant the sonics of trees, time the spell. From worlds below to branches high, the spirit of Yggdrasil shall never die. The cosmic beacon for all who seek resilience of the world trees speak.
Such a part as who live in their guardians of the realms, vigilant lichens, roots whisper towers of time's woven strands, eternal the strength beneath its side. In Yggdrasil's